Hey everyone, it's Marina Gonzalez, and I'm happy to say I'm going to be teaching you my third and final casual hair look. So for this hairstyle, it's going to be pretty simple because what it is, you're just going to be curling all of your hair, then you're going to be taking like small sections from right underneath, and then you're going to pin them to the side like this. I love doing this hairstyle because when you pin the side sections, it helps like keep all of the hair from the front from getting into your face. That's why I love doing it. And for this hairstyle, I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be using my regular curling iron instead because I think the iron kind of gives me like the perfect curls that I want for this. And you don't have to use an iron just like mine, but you can use a wand if you want to, or any type of curl for this hairstyle. And if you think that there's a certain type of curl that you think might make the hairstyle look good, then go ahead and use that. But remember, you can use anything you want. You don't have to use the exact same thing like I am. And that's pretty much about it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just part my hair in the middle, which I've already done, and I'm going to go ahead and start curling my hair in sections. So I'm going to separate out the first bottom section. Once I've done that, I'm going to clip the rest of my hair up out of the way. I'm just brushing the bottom section to get any tangles out, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start curling it. And I'm only going to be curling the bottom section on film because it takes me like 20 minutes to curl all of my hair because it's very long and I have so much of it. So I just think it's best just to curl the bottom section for you, and then I'm just going to skip through the rest of the curling process. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to give my hair a good bit of hairspray after curling it, just to give my hair like a little bit of extra hold. That's an optional step. You can use hairspray if you want to. If your hair holds a curl well, you probably don't need to, but I do just to give my curls a bit of extra hold and to help kind of last a little bit. So after I curl that last little piece, I'm going to go ahead and curl the other side. So now I'm just going to curl this very last piece. And now I'm going to go ahead and just give my hair a little bit of hairspray for extra hold. Remember, it's an optional step. You don't have to use hairspray, but I just do because I want extra hold in my hair. Now after adding a little bit more hairspray, then I'm going to go ahead and just skip through the rest of the curling process. And now my hair is completely curled. And you see I already have those two little sections sectioned off for the side parts you were going to pin up. So those little sections I already have in the front. I'm going to go ahead and take one side and I'm going to pull it over. But first I'm trying to like position my hair the way I want it so I don't have any weird pieces of hair sticking out. So after I position the side section the way I want it, then I'm just going to go ahead and take a few bobby pins and I'm going to pin those side sections to the back. I'm using at least like 4 bobby pins and I'm crisscrossing them so that way they kind of stay good and I don't have to worry about them falling out or anything. After one side is done, and you see I crisscross them, so once you've done one side, then you can go ahead and do the other side. So remember, you just grab it, pull it over, position your hair the way you want it, and then just go ahead and pin it in place. And you're probably going to realize, this hairstyle, it's not super hard to do. It's a pretty simple casual look that you can wear almost all the time. So I thought it would be cool to teach you. So it's very simple to do. Now after you pin the other side, then you are completely finished. And now you are done. And you see I'm just kind of messing with my hair, just kind of positioning it, and I'm just adding a little more hairspray to the rest of it just to give it a little extra hold. Once you have done that, then you are now finished. Hey guys, so that's how you do this casual hairstyle, and I hope you've all enjoyed it because you probably noticed it's a very pretty hairstyle that you can wear almost all the time. That's why it's one of my favorites and I wanted to teach you because I just love to wear this hairstyle on my casual days. And don't worry, I'm going to be making a lot more hair tutorials, and I'm also announcing that next week I will be making my very first makeup tutorial. I'm very excited to teach you makeup because I not only just do hair, I do makeup. I'm not the very best makeup artist, but I always try my hardest just to make good makeup looks. And what it is, it's going to be a light casual makeup look, and it's basically this makeup that I'm wearing right now. This is like one of my casual makeup looks that I wear only on casual days. And you see, it's not too much makeup, but it's just a casual look. It's only for casual looks. You don't need to wear too much. But by the way, I'm very excited to teach you and I can't wait for next week. So remember, if you've all enjoyed this video and enjoyed my last 2 casual looks, remember to like, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments and questions below, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye!